Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. So on today's video, I'm going to give you a full overview of how to make use of the Vidiq application on your mobile device. Now, I just showed you guys a little thing in my previous video, and I'm going to show you guys a quick or full info on this device. So Vidiq actually is a tool for you to actually manage and grow your YouTube content creation into a more professional standard. Now, there are so many things right here. Whenever you open your Vidiq, you have to log in, and when you log in, you have to log in into the main account that you want to be checking on. And now when you log in into the main account, the first area actually shows you your daily review. Actually, this is the dashboard and this is the home page. So this actually in abbreviation shows you everything that is already in the app. And now if you are going to be scrolling or going specific on this particular menu section, you can notice on the bottom area there are different menu right there. There are different links. You can click and navigate through all of them to go to the right area. So if I want to have or I need a video idea, I can come over to this area and see my daily video idea. There is always 3 daily video idea every day. So when you go through this, you can actually see what people are searching for. Now this ideas is actually giving you idea related to the content that you actually make. Now you can notice it says idea will be upgraded daily, save or dismiss up to 3 to help our AI give you the topic that best suits your channel. Now that is not exactly the word, but you understand. Now if you click on this area, you can see the list of all videos. But now the thing is, I did not upgrade my account. When you upgrade your account, you get to see more than 3, but I think I'm okay. Now if you go over to the saved, you can see that I saved a lot of video ideas that I actually want to make. So anytime I can always come here and make those video ideas right here, which is actually going to give me what I want. And if you also want to confirm your dismissed video idea, you can always come here and you can see them, and you can always click on restore to restore this video idea, and you'll be able to restore them. That is actually that. Now the next section is actually for the research area. Now this research area is when you are looking for a video keyword, probably a video title, or it's also called a video idea anyway. Now let me explain this very area very quick. If you have a video topic that you want to make and you actually want to know how it works, for instance this search area, let me go ahead and search my today's video. So today's video is how to use Vidiq mobile, and now I'm going to hit search and it's going to reload, and you can notice it has a very low volume and also a very high competition, and you can see all of the people that are making the video right there. Top channel for this search term, these are all the people that have already made the video about this particular stuff, and it's actually going to be very challenging. So if you scroll down on the bottom, you can notice Vidiq version for YouTube, it says 63. If you are a new YouTuber, when you see this kind of result, please don't make the video, especially when the volume is high and the competition is very high. It's not a good idea for you to make the video. That is because you are going to find a lot of challenge on this video. Now you can also notice that it displays the related videos that are related to that particular keyword. Now you can notice it says how to use Vidiq displaying right here, so you can actually click on that and you can copy this tag and then paste it somewhere to reuse the video. Now if you go over to the trending, it's only going to display trending for channel that are for people that are actually making use of the upgraded version. And then under this area, you can also see even more things if you are making use of the upgraded version, but I'm not using that right now. So another thing, another menu we have to come to is the optimization section. Now under this optimization section, you can actually click on any video to know how to optimize your video, or to know exactly what is missing on your video. You notice on the video, my title is actually 48/100%. Now if you want to have a good video, you need to actually make it to get to 100%. So if I click on this, it's going to add all of this keyword on my video, and you will notice this title is still there. The title is here because I'm not actually editing the title, but when I keep adding all of this keyword into my tag area is going to make it should increase my keyword score, but for some reason it's not increasing that yet. I think it's not increasing that because it's not able to see my videos. So let me see. Check keyword score, cancel. Now I have not published this. Let me publish. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to add more. I'm going to add more keyword. Now you can notice my score is actually increasing. Initially it was 0/100, but now it's increasing and it's currently on 16. So let me add this one and then publish again. Guys, also know that if you are publishing this, it's going to be reflecting on your main channel. So now you notice my keyword score have increased to 21. So this is actually how you are going to go until you get to 100%. What you actually need to get to is 100% of your keyword score. So if you are able to rank 100% of your keyword score, then you are good to go. So I do not want to waste too much time on this. That is actually how to optimize your video. If I click on it again, it doesn't actually change because these changes I did is actually going to be displaying or be active on the main video I have on my channel, because I gave Vidiq access to actually make changes to my channel. So when I'm doing all this stuff, the changes is actually going to be made on my channel. I'm going to show you guys that later on. So if you come to this menu area, you can see a lot of different things. Now you can actually add your competition and you can remove competition anytime you want, and you can also see your subscribers displaying right here. So let's click on the subscription competition and you can see. So I can always click on add competition to add competition. I actually do not have any channel idea or any channel memorized. So let me go over to this area. You know what, in order not to stress or take so much time on the video, all you need to do actually, when you click on add competition, you need to actually put the channel name. For instance, I can say TS Tech Talk. And now once TS Tech Talk display, I can click on that plus icon. Once I click on this plus icon, I just added the person, but it says, oops, you have reached your competition limit. So I'm going to close that out. So if you want to remove any competition, just click on remove competition and then you select who you want to remove and then you confirm remove competition. But I'm actually not going to remove that competition. There is a reason why I left that there. So if you come over to your subscribe area, you'll be able to see all of the people you subscribe to and their trending video. But for some reason, this has been limited to only premium users. So only premium user will be able to see your top competition video. So I'm actually saddened, but I used to see that, but I think they actually removed that for some reason. I don't know, but I used to enjoy using that particular feature. Now, for these plans, that is if you want to purchase their plan. Now they have different plan, like there is this boost plan, you can go for that, and when you go for this boost plan, this is everything they are offering you. But if you go for this premium plan like this is all you are going to get. Go ahead and look into it, and if you like it, go for any plan. I've actually made use of it before, but right now I'm good to go. I'm going to actually tell you guys the reason why I'm not using that right now. So, but if you are new to YouTube and you are eager to grow, please make use of that. It's very useful. And then you can always check their playlist, and also you can check the Vidiq for TikTok, which is actually where they actually guide you for how to grow your TikTok channel on TikTok. So guys, this is all I want to show you guys on today's video, and there is nothing much to it because it's actually very self-explanatory. If you look over to this area, you can see that is the top keyword opportunities, which means is actually the top keyword opportunities of the video that you can make and generate you more score. So if for some reason you want to add some hashtag, you can go ahead and add them up right here. So guys, I actually think this is it for today's video, and I hope the video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like and subscribe to the channel for more video. I did not take time to explain everything on this particular section because everything right here is actually self-explanatory. I can only explain the thing that I think that will be challenging for you guys later on while using the app. But if you have any question, please leave it on the comment section. I'm definitely going to make the video probably if you're having challenges in making use of this application. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope your channel will be growing after watching this video. I'm going to see you on my next video. Please stay safe and peace.